Okay, hello. I thought I'd put together a very quick video just to demonstrate an idea I had for the website, something that may be helpful, something that'd be nice to get some feedback about. I've had a few emails this week from people asking if I can create multiple choice quizzes for them using data and text that they send through to me. And so I thought this might be something that would be nice to make available for everybody to do. So I've created this quick quiz creator. The idea is that you would paste your text in here, whatever it would be, whatever topic you're studying, and then you will press a little button here and it will create the quiz for you. I've also experimented with allowing people to change the language, so if you wanted your questions in French, then you can change that there. We'll stick with English for now, but again, if that's something that people want to experiment with, then that's there for people to try. So I found a little bit of text about Stonehenge. It'll be an interesting one just to try. So I copy that, go back to my quiz creator, paste it in there, and then make the quiz. It takes a few seconds to do. I'll always try to make 15 questions for you. I thought that's a good number. 12 is quite a good number, so I thought if we have 3 extra, then if there's any sort of questions that aren't particularly great, you can just delete them till you get to 12. And I've also put a little note on there, obviously with any AI generated output, there may be an error, so it's worth just going through and just checking the answers. There we go. So success. We can now view the results, which will open in the editor for us. And if you remember a newsletter a while ago, I mentioned that I've now brought in the enhanced data actually into the editor. So these are 2 incorrect answers, so we get the correct answer. So the first question it's given us is, what is Stonehenge primarily believed to be? The correct answer, a prehistoric stone circle monument, but it's given us 2 potential incorrect, or 2 incorrect answers as well to use in our quiz. In which county is Stonehenge located? What was one of the proposed uses of Stonehenge, etc. So it's given us 14 questions. Wasn't able to make 15, but 14 is quite good there. So I can save this now. We'll save it as Stonehenge quiz. I'll make it public. I'll add a tag of history. Save that. There we go. So we've now got a new save file, Stonehenge quiz. I can open it with lots of different resources. I could open it with bingo or blocked words, cardboard. Obviously it'll work quite nice with a quiz resource like football or a hidden card, or let's go for, could try quick quiz, but we'll go for 10 in a row, is a nice simple one. And so it will display our question: what's the distance of the smaller bluestone's origin from Stonehenge? And then we get our 3 answers: 50 to 75 miles, 250 to 300, or 100 to 150. The idea of enhancing, if you missed that earlier newsletter, is that rather than sort of taking an incorrect answer from another question, it gives sort of 3 plausible answers. So if the correct answer, I'm not entirely sure, but if it was 250 to 300 miles, it'd be too obvious if this one said Wiltshire and this one said a prehistoric monument or whatever, because you'd know it's the one with miles. That's incorrect. There we go. Who were some of the early scholars that speculated about Stonehenge? So there we go. So we get a few different options for our questions. So if that's something you'd like to have a go at, especially if you know whatever subject you teach, it'd be nice to see it working with lots of different subjects, potentially with lots of different languages, to see how that goes. Could be a nice, I was thinking for a language teacher to give students the extract that you use to create the questions, and then you can give them 5 minutes to read through it and memorize it, and then have a little quiz about it afterwards in French or Spanish and Chinese or Japanese or whatever language you wanted to do it in. So yeah, if that's something you'd like to experiment with, reply to this newsletter or this blog post, and I'll send you the link so you can have a little go at it. It's something I'll have to monitor, because obviously there's a lot more to this than the other AI, which just takes a simple prompt. So this is quite sort of a substantial amount of text, so I'll have to monitor the costs and see how much the whole thing's costing, but hopefully it's something that can be useful. Thanks for watching. Thanks as ever for supporting Triptico. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you'd like to give it a try. Thank you.